Okay, Nick, when you're writing this essay, you already have all the pieces of it outlined. It's all on this argument essay organizer. This is yours, okay? And I've gone through each step of it to make sure that you're on the right track so when you actually go to write this essay, there shouldn't be any confusion. You should be able to just pull information from the organizer. So this is your organizer, all the information that you've put into here. And when you scroll down to the bottom, this is how you put the actual essay together. So we were first starting with the introduction. You're going to start with your hook. So your hook that you wrote out was, don't be an idiot. Social media is for fun, not for trying to hurt yourself or others. There, that's your first sentence. Then, next, transition sentence that relates your hook to the question of your topic. Well, you really already have that because you've addressed the fact that that there are stunts on social media that are hurting teens. So you can go right into your summary, which you've already written. It's right here. Kids are filming themselves doing dangerous stunts. Okay, that part was written and then you finished it off right here. Then finally, you end with your thesis statement from step 4. Your thesis statement is right here. Social media is not to blame when users post dangerous stunts. Just try to delete them, okay? So all of the pieces are there. You're just writing them in paragraph form. I went on to your intro paragraph and it looked like you were rewriting everything and you were making it different. Don't do that. Use the pieces from your organizer. So your paragraph, and I put these boxes in there, will literally read, don't be an idiot. Social media is for fun, not for trying to hurt yourself or others. Kids are filming themselves doing dangerous stunts to get famous online, and many kids are getting hurt in the process. Some people think social media sites like YouTube are to blame. Others think they are not because it's the kids that think it's a good idea, but it's not. Okay? You can really get rid of this. You've got a lot of the word not over and over. Then, social media is not to blame when users post dangerous stunts. Social media does try to delete any of the dangerous stunt videos, and no one has to do the stunts just because they watch others do it. This is your paragraph. This is your intro paragraph. You just need to take it out of the boxes and format it. So when we continue with this, you need to be moving back and forth between your organizer, which gives you the step-by-step directions for each paragraph, and I will continue to create videos to explain them, and then working on the actual final argument essay, final document. Okay, so I need you to go in, get rid of this top paragraph, pull this information out of the boxes and format it so it's in a paragraph form, all in the same font. It really should be in Times New Roman 12.5, but I was going to address that at the very end. Okay, your MLA heading, you need your name, 8L, and then you need argument essay is the assignment. You don't have to put a date on it yet. I'll go into that later. All right, so go in and clean this up a little bit.